Hey guys, what's up? It's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I forgot to start filming earlier, but I'm currently in Colorado in my new house, and I was going to do a little move-in vlog, but I left my camera in the hotel, so I'm going to be filming on my phone right now. But yeah, I'm super excited. I'll show you guys what my room looks like right now before we start building everything. It's very hot. So this is my window. There's my car out there. It's my other window. It's a really small room. My bed's gonna go like right here. And yeah, get ready for a big transformation.
So the first thing we did to start making this bed is put these boards on, but then after I put everything on, my mom informed me that that was one of the last steps I was supposed to do. So I did all that work for nothing. And honestly, that's just like a constant theme throughout this video. Things going wrong. Constantly, things going wrong. And taking way too much time. And stressing me out. More to come. So once we got back on track and started with the first step of the instructions, me and my mother pillaged through them with ease and breeze. Just kidding, I did. I did most of the building. My mom did help me. Love you, Mom. But I found out that I'm really good at building things. If I have a set of instructions in front of me, I can breeze through things pretty fast. So I was on a roll.
I don't know how many hours. It feels like 5, but it's not been 5, but it feels like it. And this is how far we've gotten on the bed. I've done most of the work. Very proud. Looks really comfy.
So by this point, we had been working on the bed for a while, and we were both really exhausted. Me and my mom were griping and fighting literally the entire time. I told her to just go home, so she did just that. She got on a plane, and then 3 days later when she came back, I was still working on the bed. That's how long it took. It was like an enormous project brought to me by God, like Noah's Ark, except for saving all of the Earth's species to repopulate. It was a place where I sleep at night.
So we just found out that we did the whole bed backwards. That is supposed to be up here, and these drawers are supposed to be on that side, and that is supposed to be on this side. Update. We are going to take the bed apart now and put it back together the right way. Okay, so update. It's currently almost 11 o'clock, and we started building this bed at about 5:30. So it's been less 5 hours and 30 minutes, almost 6 hours. That's how long it took us to build this stupid bed, because we had to keep yes, can I help you? Like, me and my mom were about to kill each other, and but I was very determined to finish it tonight. So I'll show you our masterpiece at work. We had to disassemble the entire bed after we put it all together, and then we had to disassemble the drawers after we put them together. So basically we had to do the entire thing over again. So it should have probably taken us less than 3 hours. Instead it took us almost 6. So I know you're very interested in what my bed looks like after a long-awaited hours. Here is my bed in all of its beauty.
Waiting for a mattress.
Yeah, it's waiting. But now it's perfect and beautiful. Hopefully. It might break once I get on it. You never know. We broke some parts of it, but it's fine. It's all good. Now we're going to leave and go sleep and come back tomorrow and finish doing things. Okay. Hello everybody. It is day 2 of our move-in. We're about to head over to the house again and build some stuff. They're bringing the mattress over between 11:30 and 1:30. Also, here's my car, packed full of stuff. We actually haven't unloaded anything yet, just because we want to get like everything out of the way, like build everything first before we bring in all my clothes and stuff. So that is what's happening. It's currently like 10:30. I had breakfast, but I'm starving right now for some reason. So that's really fun. Yeah, I'll see you when I get to the house. Okay, so we just put together my side table. It's really cute. I literally love it so much. And then we just got this mattress delivered. So this is, it's like coming together, you know? It's really fun. And I was like, hey, let's move my bed below the window because that would be cool. But then I realized I would have to take the entire bed apart again and move the drawers on the other side. I didn't want to do that. So we're just gonna stay here. Oh, someone's home. Wonder who it is. Anyway, yeah. So now we're making the desk.
Is it alright to feel this way so early?
Alright, the quality of this video has probably been super like bipolar because I keep switching from my phone to my camera. But right now we're gonna make my bed. We finished making, but I didn't film it because I'm sure you're tired of seeing fast motion of us building things. And then we're about to make my bed.
In my blood, all the sweet nothings falling in love overnight. Didn't mean to get so close, and I know that I should probably go, but I got this feeling. Tell me, girl, I gotta know. Touch you softly, I call you up late at night. Know that it is.
Okay, so update. It's messy, but this is the little layout we've chosen for right now. So my desk is gonna be here, and then this stuff's gonna be here, and this is gonna be right here. I like don't want my refrigerator in front of my bed, but I don't, it's like the only option. So yeah, now we're gonna start unpacking all my clothes. And all my clothes. All of these things are clothes.
Is it right, but you could be my one and only. You got me in the mood. Know what I'm trying to do. Do you think that we can move closer, baby? I want you.
Okay, so I'm like almost done putting away my clothes, but I ran out of hangers, so that's really good. I just want to show you this rack. Not my rack. That's inappropriate. I mean this actual rack that's in my room. So I was gonna put sweaters and coats on it, which is what I did. It's just so stuffed. Like I cannot fit one single thing on there. Like it's, no. This is stuff I'm gonna like send home or get rid of because I just like don't wear it or don't need it. And I'm currently sitting on a pile of clothes that I can't do anything with because I don't have hangers. This room is a mess. It's stressing me out. I just want it to be like ready. Like I just want it to like look good. Hello everyone. We are currently at the at-home store on a hunt for a dresser for my room because I have too many clothes and need more storage. Okay, I know I've probably said this about 300 times already, but I have so many clothes. Like, I'm not trying to be like, I have so many clothes, like, I have so much money to buy so many clothes. No, like, I've just accumulated so many clothes over the years, and like, I keep like emptying out boxes, and then I'm like, okay, like, there can't be more clothes, and then I like open up another box, and there they are, more clothes, and I just like, I literally sleep naked, and I have about 2,000 pairs of pajamas, which is just so unnecessary because I don't even use them. And like, I just don't understand. I just like, but I can't give any away. I'm like, what if I want them? Like, what if I end up wanting them? You know what I mean? It's, you know, first world problem. Hi guys, today is Friday the 23rd, and we are, oh, Hello. We just bought a dresser from the Ark, which is like a thrift store, because dressers are expensive and we were really sick of putting things together. We didn't want to put anything else together, so we wanted a pre-made one. So now we're gonna spray paint it. We're gonna go back to the house and we're gonna spray paint it. I got some green spray paint and some white spray paint. So we'll see how it goes. So here's the dresser before. The drawers are already over there. But this is the before.
And all my life, been wanting this forever. And in my mind, think of ways to.
Here's my dresser. It's all done. It looks beautiful and so majestic and beautiful. Hi. I don't even know what day it is. Saturday. My mother insisted that I needed more storage. So I got one of these things. And now I'm putting it together. I just really am so tired of putting stuff together. I'm getting angry. It's getting down to the wire. And like, I just want my room to be done. Like, I'm just so, like, I'm done. I'm done. I'm over it. I'm over it. I'm just ready for it. I'm so done. Like, I'm so done. And if I wasn't already frustrated enough, let me just show you what has happened to my drawers. So my mom bought this stuff, like the seal to put on top of it so it doesn't like mess up. And we got this nice texture going on. She only did these two, thank God, but now we have to repaint them, to sand them off and repaint them. And like, the dresser was fine. Like, it was already set up and I had my clothes in it and everything. Oh, I'm just so sick of this. I just want everything to be done. I know now I'm just complaining, but I'm so frustrated and like, things keep going wrong.
Ask you, why don't you come over sometime? Did I mean to get so close? And I know that I should probably go, but I got this feeling. Tell me good.
So little update, we didn't end up putting the finish on that dresser. We just brought it in, but this is kind of how everything's looking right now. I decorated a little bit, but I didn't film it because I didn't want to bore you. And then this wall is the only thing we have left to do.
Touch you softly, I call you up late at night. Know that it isn't right, but you could be my one and only. You get me in the mood, know what I'm trying to do. Do you think that we can move closer, baby? I want you.
Mom, how do you think my room is looking so far?
Good.
Good? What's wrong?
Nothing.
Don't ruin my cactuses. So, out of this experience, what would you rate it?
After the,
We've had many setbacks. I think it's a bad sign.
I don't think it's a bad sign. I think it's a sign we should have just bought that dresser at Target.
Yeah, we should have.
Because we could have had it put together quicker than the amount of time we spent on. But this is much cuter
Yes.
than what it would have been at Target.
Uh-huh.
And it's a labor of love. So
Aw,
every
that's so
time
sweet.
every time you look at it, you'll
I'll think of you.
yes.
That's so cute. You should sign it.
I'm not doing anything.
So, that's gonna wrap up my moving in vlog. I'm not gonna show you my room because I'm going to post a room tour and then you're going to have to go watch that. So I'm going to be like that. I'm going to make you watch. If you want to see what it looks like, the finished product, then you got to go watch that. So that'll be up next week. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye. Hey guys, I'm just plopping in here to say, I just wanted to say thank you so much to my mom for helping me move in. I know it was really frustrating, and but I just want to say thanks to my mom. She worked her ass off on this dresser, and I love you so much, Mom. If you're watching this, I just want to say thank you, and I also love you guys. Okay, bye.